Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by targeting exactly what changes. First, identify the table and the specific columns you will update. This reduces mistakes. Once you know the columns, craft a where clause that limits rows, use primary keys or indexed fields for precision. Run a select with that same where to confirm the affected rows before any change. This step proves what will be updated and saves rollback time, so make it a habit each time you prepare an update. Next, write the update statement with clear assignments. Update table set call equals expression, call to equals expression 2. If values come from another table, join them and reference aliases to avoid ambiguity. This is why joins matter. They let you source values reliably. Make complex calculations or conditional updates explicit with case expressions. Once done, wrap the operation in a transaction if your DB supports it, so you can commit or roll back depending on the outcome. Finally, execute the update in a controlled environment, then immediately verify results with targeted select queries or checksums to ensure accuracy. If you used a transaction, commit after verification, otherwise have a rollback plan. Make sure to log the change and note the where clause used for auditing. If things go wrong, stop further writes, roll back if possible, and restore from backup. This troubleshooting tip prevents escalation and preserves data integrity for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.